Hey guys,
Hey guys, we're making a thing.
me and Lucy, we're going to be making these.
These balloons are hard. I made a big mess. I'll make massive stress balls. That was a balloon. That was a big fart. Wait, there's a glitter. The glitter. We're both. Oh, I know what to do with this. Don't worry, I know what to do.
Oh yes.
I would like mine to be like. I'll make like levels kind of out of these. Oh, like how do I do this? The balloon.
I know how to.
This is too hard. Claudia, help me. It's like, oh, I got it. I know what to do now. Now I see that what you're doing is like, oh yeah, I know what to do. You put the balloon, like, oh my goodness, this snaps easily. You both were making two. Hey, my balloon, your balloon. It's simple science, man.
I'm waiting for mine. Okay, why is the camera only on you? This is my show.
It's not your show, it's your channel.
Yeah.
It's not like you're famous. You literally
Okay,
have
can I
things.
put mine in? Because look, mine says.
Mine's is ready. Mine's is ready.
Oh, look at mine. Mine says ready.
I'm trying my best, Olive, and you keep just like, hurry up. Hurry up, Lucy. You're so pressuring.
Oh, I see the poppet.
I'm doing all three of this stuff in one.
Okay, you know.
Don't do what I'm doing. I'm just having trouble opening. So I'm gonna do purple first, and then blue, and then the glitter.
Can I please do what you're doing with this?
Sure, just don't make it entirely out of you. Okay, you can use the rest of this purple. I'm sorry, I didn't give you a lot.
That's. Oh yeah.
Oh, can I like open the blue, please? It's already open. Well, I didn't know that. I was so smart to know that there was a hole at one point.
Oh, there's only a little bit of these left. Don't pour all of them in.
I know.
Cause like, look how much I have left for mine.
I'm sorry, Claudia.
Do we have to fill this up with water?
We'll do that later.
How's it going?
It's really going good. We're
Did you
recording
put
a
this in?
video.
Is it hard to do?
Oh, it's really easy actually.
Oh, good.
I open the glitter. You do like the rest of that stuff.
I can't put this in there without the.
I know. I'm taking a long time. Sit your girly little self down. Now get ready. Oh, I used like a lot. Oh, jeez. It's getting everywhere. Ooh, wait. Okay, you almost done?
Better, and I meant it.
Almost. I need water. I just got some in my eyes.
Oh, go. You can go rinse yourself. I can.
Mom, I just got like glitter in my eye.
You okay?
No,
Let me
I'm
see.
not.
All right, hold on. I'll help you. Let me have my hands for you. All right. Want to rinse it in water?
No, it's so like you to get it around.
All right.
Also, Olive's recording a video.
Layla, I took it off and it's all ready. I can do. I'm gonna do mine.
Are you good?
Yeah, good.
I mean Lucy.
Did you end the video? Yeah. I don't have glitter in my eyes anymore. Did you unconnect mine?
Yeah, I used this already.
I'm gonna put like
All right.
water in
Oh, do
mine.
you guys need any
Okay.
help before I go get like the stuff that will be ready?
Sure.
You need help?
No, I don't. We don't.
You sure?
No, don't get your face in the video.
Oh, sorry.
Can you?
You said that you don't
Can
want
I-
your face in videos, don't you?
Lu-
Give me a second.
Can I use the rest of the beads?
Yes, you can have the rest of everything.
Did you guys read the directions?
No.
No, but we're doing it our own way.
Okay. off.
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
That's what we were thinking.
How are you
today.
gonna tie it?
What?
How are you gonna tie it?
I know how to tie.
I don't know how to.
All right, I'm just gonna move these. Are you guys done with these, or are you still eating?
We're done.
Yeah.
Layla, did you not eat any of your chicken?
I didn't. I only ate one nugget. Can you help me tie this? Because it's full of water and I don't like want to. Can you do it? Do you mind?
So this is it? You're supposed to tie it now?
Yeah, I have to tie it now.
I know.
My mom's like a way better tire than me because I don't even know how to tie.
You can keep doing stuff in the video.
Weeb. I don't know what weeb is, but I think weeb is something that's cool. No sponsorships today, except there's one sponsorship.
Okay.
There's a sponsorship actually.
Not. I know.
Squishios.
Is this it?
Yes, thank you.
I just feel like it's gonna break if you do it.
I did it.
Tell the twins' moms.
Tell the twins' mom's what account for YouTube, so she can get. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Gardening and Cooking there. I'm done with the stress ball.
Ah, this is not coming up.
This is it. I'm gonna post this on my TikTok feed. If you wanna follow me, it's Luca_spiritual_fidget35. Don't forget to make it 33, because then I'd be like, yeah, you're gonna find me. Don't worry. This is so like ASMR. We did it. We made a fidget. Make us go viral now. Also, I need to tell you something. I know how to make thumbnails.
You do?
Yeah, you have to do it on the computer.
You have to let your squishos sit for 1 to 2 hours so
1
the
to 2
crystals
hours?
can expand. Yeah.
Oh. What's
Oh, they're
the
crystals?
Yeah, so they're gonna expand.
What do you mean
Do
they're
you
gonna
need me
expand?
to tie that? Because they're kind of hard.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fill mine with only glitter now. You use like all the glitter.
There's only a third of water.
I'm gonna go make my other one.
Yeah, I need to make my other one too. Can you get the thing? I have glitter in my hair.
I'm gonna.
There's only glitter left.
Oh,
There's only glitter left.
there is.
Yeah, there's only glitter left. Why'd you use everything?
You told me I could.
I didn't mean it like that.
Should we do it with just water and see how it turns?
I only gonna do like mine with like.
So they have to sit, so they have to sit for a couple hours.
Okay.
So that
These
they can
don't have to
expand.
sit for a couple hours if we don't put the crystals in.
Well, I'm putting crystals in mine.
Yeah, but like in the last one.
Oh, I'm doing the last one.
All right, where do you guys want to put them to sit? Up here?
I'm not ready. Dang it! Help me.
What are you
Help me
trying to do?
touch it.
You're making a mess in here.
Well,
I
I'm
told
just
you to
trying
do it
to
at the
make a
kitchen
stress
table,
ball, man.
remember?
But I'm trying to make a stress ball. That's all I'm trying to do. Oh, I'm gonna glitch. I'm going to glitch.
Daisy, no.
Oh no! My whippet. My little whippet.
Here.
You can't escape. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
I made this one. It looks pretty.
Yeah, but if you squeeze them, they're gonna break. So you have to do that outside because they have to sit, Because they're just balloons. So it's like a water balloon, really.
Oh,
You know?
look.
So they'll break everywhere. So don't squeeze them in here until they sit for a little bit, okay?
This one doesn't have the crystals in it.
So hers doesn't.
So
need
that
to-
might even split easier,
Oh.
All right, are we good?
My stress ball's here. Is this mine?
It says don't squeeze it until it sits for a couple hours.
How do I always do that?
Lily, you're really not gonna eat any more of your food?
No.
I don't know why you asked for McDonald's. You didn't even want it.
I want it.
What?
Olive wanted it.
No, you said it. I heard you.
Look, because I know Olive doesn't like Chick-fil-A.
Just let him sit for a little bit, okay?
Or beef.
Can you go get the other thing of chicken, please?
You whip it. No, whip it. No, whip it.
Okay. Should we pause the video?
No, we're not pausing the video, man. We're working really hard on this video.
No, Maisie. No, Maisie. Maisie. Maisie ate a chicken. The chicken.
That's okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to let them sit. So let's go to the great outdoors. We're going to the great outdoors. Wait, this should be called making. This should be called.
Our shoes.
No, we don't need our shoes. Bye, whip it.
I want to get my shoes.
Then suck it up.
Layla, be nice.
Okay. No, Maisie. Going outside.
All right, let me go see if I can find her. Lay, she's right behind you. I'm gonna put her on her runner. Watch her, she's coming.
Are you still recording?
It's the video now.
Okay, we're gonna end it here. Bye.
Yeah,
Part
bye.